Welcome to Legacy Auto Credit. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. It comes equipped with navigation, heated door mirrors, CD MP3 decoder, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, outside temperature display, garage door transmitter, ventilated front seats, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, auto high-beam headlamp control, rear spoiler, and has less than 80,000 kilometers on the odometer. Here at Legacy Auto Credit, we specialize in serving our guests with all types of credit. We offer in-house specialized financing, and our non-commissioned sales staff is trained in credit rebuilding and credit restructuring. We offer great service, fair prices, and great rates so we can establish customers for life. If you see something you like, give us a call or stop by Legacy Auto Credit today.